Hi, and welcome back to Gray's Garden. My name is Gray. I'm an amateur gardener. We're all amateur gardeners. So today I'm back in my home garden and I want to show you what's been going on behind me. This is my new extension, my new building project that we're having built at the moment. So I want to give you a little tour and show you what's happening, what's been going on with that. And also give you a quick update of everything that's growing in my home garden. So I haven't done one of those for a while. But just before I do, just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed so far, all the nice comments, all the lovely feedback, and all the well wishes I've had so far. I'm getting close to 300 subscribers now, so only another 20 odd to go. So thank you all so much. If you haven't already, please do, and continue to give me some nice comments and feedback. Okay, just starting with the big weeping willow tree. You can see straight in front of me. So in the winter, I trimmed that back, or I lopped a lot off the top. You can just see in that area mainly, blurred it a little bit, took it off by about 20 foot from the top to help it bush out. And it's kind of worked. I'll be doing a bit more in this winter. So some of you may have seen those videos earlier, well, over the winter, of me climbing up that tree and taking it all off. Okay, over here, we've got my bamboo. It's growing quite nicely. Something that's happened with this Goldcrest conifer, just starting to die a little bit. That's the building material. Don't want to go too much into all that. Coming over here is one of the banana trees that I dug out from the master down at my allotment. Anyone who watches my allotment videos knows how much I love my Musa Barstu bananas. In here, these aren't looking too good. My poor old sunflowers, they were doing okay. They're just dying off a little bit now. Down here, I spotted one before. This is a Frambury. So it's a cross between a raspberry and a strawberry. Just beginning to go red. They're really juicy. It tastes like a strawberry, but a little bit of a pineapple taste to them. Very juicy. A bit smaller than a strawberry as well. Here, in amongst all this, I've had to cram everything in a little bit because of the building work taking place, hence why it's all squashed into this corner. But I've got 2 bags of potatoes at the back. I have already opened 1 bag. We've had them already. They were the first early Charlotte potatoes. Very, very nice. In here, it hasn't flowered this year. This is a yellow flowering azalea. That was lovely last year, but nothing this year. And then some gladioli, trying to get out of the shadow. A couple of gladioli and just a first bud starting to form on this dahlia. There's the okay, so I can't see what it was called, but it will be one of those. Very nice. I thought my olive trees, so I've got 2 olive trees, one either side. I thought they had died this after the winter, but they've perked up quite nicely, coming back into full leaf again. We've just had a bit of a shock over this winter. It was quite a cold winter, hence why they looked a bit bare a few months ago. These are my Rudbeckia that I grew from seed, and now they just come back every year. Not far off going into flower. The buds are starting nicely, and there's a few Nigella plants just dotted around those. Okay, here's the kids' trampoline, keeping them occupied. And the lad's goal is footy pitch is a bit out of bounds at the moment with the building work. Well, we just come through the willow, and this is almost my secret garden. This is the chill out area after a hard day in work. So this is looking a bit better now. This is the Fatsia japonica. Well, then bottom leaves died off for some reason, but he's perking back up. Box hedge. Here is one of my stag's horn. It's a very tropical looking tree, this one, and I've designed it into a standard variety. A bit leggy though. One of my favourite plants in the garden is the monkey puzzle tree. I love that tree. A couple more Goldcrest conifers and the bay tree. And you may just see all this white stuff This white fluff, that is the culprit for all this. Whatever that tree is in the background, I don't even know what it is, but ends up looking like it's been snowing. Just coming around here, we've got a couple of jasmine plants. This bigger one nearly died in the winter, dug it out, and he's training up here quite well. It's another new one. Obviously you can't smell this right now, but down here smells of jasmine. It's absolutely beautiful. Another nice little gold crest. And I don't know what happened to this. This is my Flamingo Salix. Hopefully you can see the colours on that. Each of the ends of the leaves go a lovely pink colour. Pink mixed in with the white and green. This was looking fantastic only a week ago. And then all of a sudden, all these leaves have just died inside. Now it is full of buds. Whether this will pick any of them up, but I don't know what happened. Really can't work that out. Been watering every day, perfectly fine. Here's a new one I bought, but that one's quite young, so it hasn't even turned pink yet. But I just don't get it. Anyone knows anything about the Flamingo Salix, please drop it into the comments below. And here is my other stag's horn. I'll put the proper name. Hopefully be able to put the proper name on screen. I call it the stag's horn because each of these, if I come around here, they get very fairy. Hopefully you pick that up. Very fairy like a stag or reindeer horn. You can see it more there. And I chopped this one in half in the winter to save it getting so leggy. And then also it sent out a nice little runner. So I've dug him out, planted him on, and he seems to have taken. So one of my friends in work's going to get that. That's the baby stag's horn. Just coming around the other side. A nice little solar-powered watering or solar-powered fountain. We've got the pink hydrangea, looking quite nice. A few more conifers. I do like my conifers, and the box hedge that you can see there. I need to replace that plant pot. Looks like the football's hit that one. Coming around, we've got the bamboo, looking okay. This one was fantastic. This is the pink flowering azalea. Only a few weeks ago that was covered in a really bright pink flowers all over it. Very lovely plant, that one. And then we've got 3 Christmas trees that actually get decorated each year. They're in the pots. So I think this is the Nordman spruce, maybe. This is the blue spruce and a Nordman fir. I think I've just combined all those and said the wrong names, but we've got a spruce and a Nordman and a blue one. Okay, so just coming back down the garden. One of the main reasons I wanted to show you the home garden now is the building project. This is the rather large extension that we're having built. So in this area here was where the conservatory was. That's now been taken down. The footings have all been dug. And now the wall is starting to be built. So this is going to go single at the back, right across here, but then a double up at the side there. So I'll just show you around. We've had many tons of stone put in. That's the aeration tubes. If I come down here, this area is going to be my new downstairs bathroom. Coming back here, followed by utility room. And then the rest of it will literally be my giant, come from this angle maybe, this will be the giant kitchen diner with all this knocked out, or that'll be knocked through. And it'll be bifolds across the front. And once all that's cleared away, that'll be my view from inside my kitchen. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed that video. Something slightly different this week. I haven't done a home garden update for a while, but I do want to keep you updated with what's going on with the extension and everything at home as well. So I'll be putting out some further vlogs relating to all that. So thanks for watching. As always, if you haven't subscribed so far, please do, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye now.